Okay, here's the update of Series 2240Z. Went down to bare metal, found some new holes. So we're going bare metal. And the bonnet the hood scoop has been removed, so it is back down to standard profile again, which is very good. Fiberglass bonnet, nothing I can do about it. I'm gonna leave it like that. This side was also sent down to bare metal and then had a layer of anti-rust primer onto it so that it don't rust while it's sitting here like this. Once it goes bare metal, starts to rust. That's it for now. Okay, so today we are mixing some more mustard color for the Series 1240Z. We are at the ICA wholesale distribution outlet, and they are making this color CS123 Safari Gold. So this is how they mix and match the paint. I originally bought 4 liters, which is not enough. We need 6.5 liters for the entire car, so we're short 2.5 liters, which is what I'm getting right now. These are the craftsmen at their job. It's very good. They have everything. Red is in the Safari Gold as well. They have everything here to make a perfect blend of paint. Whatever color you want, you can get it here. White is also in there. Interesting. What's next? What's next? Black. A little bit of black makes up the Safari Gold. I guess so. What's next? What's next? So that was sort of like 5 colors in total. Let's see how it looks. That's the formula right there. The iCar shop. It's fantastic. You got all shades of whatever colors we want. So the Series 2240Z is having either this color or this color. I can't remember. Oh, sorry. It's more expensive. This is a more expensive color because it has metallic. Getting done. We're waiting. Takes less than 10 minutes to get this formula done. So this place, they sell everything. Paint gun, all your painting needs, If you are in the craft of painting and spraying your own car, you can come here, pick whatever you want up. They have everything: colors, equipment, finishing, lacquer, polish, painting material, everything under the sun that is required for you to paint your car. Even masking tape and blocking out paper. Here we are today at the Aika paint shop to get some paint for the Safari Gold 240Z Series 1. Let's go! So since we are doing a paint run and we're sending the Safari Gold to the Series 1 240Z, I'm sending this Mamba Green and Mamba Pearl to the Series 2 240Z, and we're visiting both cars at two different paint shops today. Here we are, and here is the Series 2 240Z, fully sanded down to bare metal on all ends. Even the bonnet has been smoothened. The last I was here, which is just a few days ago, this side was being worked on and was sanded down to bare metal. So now it's good. They've anti-rust the entire body. We're just gonna leave the paint here, and it is obviously for this car. We're gonna leave the car here now. We leave this place as it is. They're filling up the body panels. On this side, they have already started filling up. So it's good progress, very good progress. Just a few days, they can achieve quite a lot. I'm happy. Alright, let's go move on to the Series 1 240Z now. Okay, so we have arrived our second location, and this is where the Series 1 240Z is at. It's the other paint shop. We're delivering this 2.5 liter worth of Safari Gold paint. And here we are, we have the boss working himself. Hi Suresh, how are you? Okay, the interior of the car has been painted, right? Unfortunately we can't see it, it can be seen. Oh wow, it's like opening of a Christmas present. Very nice. I'm happy with the color. Alright, so exterior is the next. Very excited to come to this point. We're almost there. I'm gonna get the color on every panel. It's been painted on the back sides. Yeah. Now we've just got to get these sides all done. We're almost there, guys. We are almost there. So next week we'll be able to see a fully painted car. Cool beans. Alright, till next week, which is just 2 more days from now. We're getting close. We're getting close. All the interior pieces, rear tail light and everything is there. Alright, so the next update will be with paint. All panels are here already. All panels are here already. This car is almost complete. So there we go. Thank you guys. Update again soon. Okay, this is the status of the green car. We're gonna put the rear screen on the back soon. We've got some of the interior bits all sorted, and exterior bits are pretty sorted. Of course, the rubbers are going in as well, but we are having a small problem with fitment. I will show you right here. There's I can't push it all the way in at the moment because of the rubber. We've got to trim the rubber, and then once the rubber is trimmed, this door will still be banging onto the rear quarter glass. Now these cars are very old. You know, they are built in the 70s and they're all hand built. So if you notice, all 240Zs will have a gap here which is not equal to the other side. A gap here and a gap here that is not equal to the other side. If you notice, this gap is very nice and close and tight. However, this gap here is very far. So we also have a problem with the rear quarter glass fitting into here because of the rubbers, but we'll trim the rubber back, and even with that rear quarter glass installed properly, the door will bang onto the rear quarter glass frame. I've only got one hand to do this right, but you get the idea. So this is an issue with fitment. What we have to do is actually push the fenders forward. The rear bucket's gonna have to go forward. All this have got to be shifted forward. But at the moment it's all lining up nicely already. All lining up nice and smooth. However, we've got to shift everything forward, including this panel, and of course the bonnet. It's a lot of work, but it's got to be done, and it's got to be done nice. So this is another update on this former white body 240Z with sound dampening already installed. And just waiting on fully reinstalling all the parts. Okay, this is the current update on the car.